Without the ocean, we wouldn't exist. Our very lives depend on its health. All the best memories of my childhood are in some ways linked to it. This is really where I feel most at home. Being on the ocean is almost a spiritual experience. We are facing an environmental crisis in our oceans. The waters that sustain our planet are being overrun by plastic waste. It's estimated that 8 million tons of plastic enter the ocean every year. The environmental damage to all marine life is immeasurable. Millions of birds, turtles, and fish are negatively impacted by this debris. Every year, around 100,000 whales are entangled in discarded fishing nets and other plastic waste. Plastic is even being found in internal organs of fish, entering our food supply. Of all that waste entering the ocean, around 80% comes from land-based sources. Plastic waste is dumped on land and makes its way into streams and rivers or is blown into waterways. There are dedicated people out there who are organizing to collect this waste. But it can only be truly sustainable if the plastic itself can become a valuable commodity. If we all get together, even small actions can become a big movement. Let's protect our greatest natural asset, the ocean.